So here's how to restore WordPress website from Hostinger. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to go to your Hostinger Edge panel. Then here you will be able to view your plan and click on the manage option in front of it. Moving on to the next step, here from the left menu you have to simply scroll down and go to the files option. After that, from this drop down menu, click on the backup option. Once you click on it, now it will open this page. From here you have to simply click on the files backup option. After clicking on this file backup, now you have to select a date range. Enter your desired date range and then click on the next option. After clicking onto this option, now you will be able to view the page like this. Here you have to click on this name box and then all these files will be selected. Click on the restore files option at the bottom of this. Moving on to the next step, here you have to click on the database backups option. After selecting to this option, now from the bottom panel you have to simply select the desired database. To get access to your database, what you will need to do is you have to go to the files option and then click on the file manager. Here you have to click on the access all files of premium web hosting option. Once you click on this option, now it will open this interface. Now here you have to scroll to the bottom and then click on the Hostinger website option. After clicking onto this option, then here you have to simply scroll down and go to the option vp.configure.php and then right click on it. Now click on the info option and after that here is your WordPress database. Simply copy this database and paste it here. Then click on the show database option and after that your database will be shown up to you. Now click on the restore option. After restoring your database, your website will be restored. So that's how to restore WordPress website from Hostinger.